Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If you're new here, I make beginner-friendly tutorials for beginners because I'm a beginner myself. So who's better than to teach you than somebody who have no idea what they're doing? So recently I started my nail journey. I wanted to learn how to do gel X nails by myself. I bought a beginner kit. If you did not see that video, I will put it in the corner, but honestly it's nothing to see. It's literally me just struggling with my nails. So this one, I'm going to try again. This is my second attempt at my nails. I'm just clipping them down. With every set, I like my nails to be as short as possible, and I get the cuticles, and it's just basic nail prep. Alright, so this time I will be using a different type of tip. These tips are in my Amazon store. I'll link them in the bio. But I wanted like longer square nails than what I had before. These tips are amazing. Like, they're so thick, they're so durable. I absolutely love these tips. Like, I just put in an order for like 2 other tips with this brand. It already come etched, so you don't need to etch it. Like, on the inside, you just add the gel X glue and cure, and that's it. Look how thick they are. Oh, and they're also very affordable. Like, I think I paid like $15 for this little box full of nails that I can just play in all day till I really figure out what I'm doing. Now I'm just sizing up my nails, trying to figure out what fit and what number best fits my nail. I have very wide nail beds, and that tend to be kind of hard to find nails that fit me. But this nail box, chef's kiss. Now that I have all my nails picked out, I'm going to apply some alcohol to my nail beds. You can also use a nail dehydrator. I don't have nail dehydrator. I use alcohol, and apparently it does the same thing, so I probably will never buy nail dehydrator. We'll see where this journey is headed. Being that I am a beginner, I am trying to invest as little as possible and get the best results. So if you see me kind of bending corners and stuff, that's why. Like, I'm still trying to figure this whole thing out. Now I'm adding primer just a little bit. I learned that from my last set that I applied way too much primer, and that might have been why they popped off so easily. And then I also didn't cure it last time, and I am curing it now. Still don't know if I need to cure it or not, but I do it now, and the results seem to last a little bit longer. I'm filing the nail because I have no clue. I seen this on TikTok when I looked up gel X, and everybody was like filing the nail. So I just did that just to do it, but it didn't really make a difference. And now I am applying the glue to the nail. A lot of people like to apply to the nail in the nail bed. I just do my nail as of now. Like I said, I'm learning, and I'm just trying to figure out what best works for me. Also, side note, this set lasted 2.5 weeks. It's my longest set yet, and I'm very proud of myself. I'm getting better. Cleaning up the nail, I did use a little bit too much glue. Last time I just let it sit there, but now I know to kind of clean up as I go. while I'm filing, but we're just gonna do it because the girlies are doing it on TikTok, okay? Just a little glue, nothing too crazy. And now I'm gonna slide it on my finger again and just roll it so it won't get no air bubbles. Perfect. And then put it under the light. Another thing I learned since my last video is I was supposed to cure right after I was done for like 60 seconds. I didn't cure it, and that might have been why they popped right off. But yeah, now when you're done with your whole hand, you cure it all together within a hole. I wanted to go more for like a square medium length. I'm moving so slow because like I'm just so scared that I'm gonna cut it too short, but I really did very good like cutting my nails. Like this was my favorite part. Just like from the eye, like I cut them exactly like my other hand, and I was real proud of myself. Like when you're doing do-it-yourself projects and do-it-yourself anything, like it's the little wins, baby. You have to count the little wins because if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna mess up. So the little wins matter. Now getting all the shininess off the nails so I can paint them. It's just a quick little buff, nothing too tense. I got this buffer from Walmart for like $1. So far, so good. Go ahead, girl. So far, so good. Keep going. Alcohol again, just to wipe up all the debris from the buffering. Just clean it up real good. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help me continue to create. And I love you guys so much. Adding primer so I can apply the gel polish. And I got this gel polish from Amazon. It is also linked in my Amazon store. That will be in the bio. Not bio. Have I been saying bio this whole time? It's in my description box, y'all. I linked it in the description box. But I love this pink. Like, it's the perfect pink for black girls. I know it's so hard for us to find like a flesh tone pink. This pink was perfect. Get the design off camera because I was struggling, as you guys can see. But yeah, it got better. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.